Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 30,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Looking for soft, hydrated skin that lasts all day? Meet Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This lightweight, non-greasy formula is packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid to help restore your skin's protective barrier while delivering lasting hydration. Ideal for normal to dry skin, Cerave's unique technology ensures a controlled release of moisture throughout the day, leaving your skin feeling smooth, soft, and comfortable from morning to night. Fragrance-free and dermatologist recommended, it's perfect for even sensitive skin. Get your skin the care it deserves with CeraVe. Start by washing your face or body with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Gently pat your skin dry with a towel, leaving it slightly damp. Take an adequate amount of the lotion and gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. For best results, apply morning and night or as often as needed to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.